Hey, what's up? Chiang here. Today, we will learn to implement loops in C#. There are three types of loops in C#: while, do while, and for loop. Basically, we can categorize them into entry control loops and X control loops. While loops and for loop are categorized as entry control loops, which will check the conditions before execute the block. Do while loop is categorized as exit control loop, which will execute the block one times before checking the conditions. The while loop is used for condition other than number of times, and the for loop is used when the time of loop is known. Since we don't know the size of a file, therefore while loop is suitable for reading a file. If we want to calculate sum of 1 to 100, we know that we're gonna loop 100 times, so for loop is more suitable for these situations. Before we implement while loop, let's visualize how the while loop works to read the file contents. The file will be read line by line until reaching the end of file. Now, we're gonna implement this program in C#. In this program, we will read hello.txt file and output the file content. Yeah, the output is exactly same as file content. Now, let's continue with for loop. The for loop will loops 100 times to calculate the sum of 1 to 100. We declare an integer sum equal to 0 for I when I is smaller or equal to 100, I plus plus. Output the result. Console write sum plus sum. Let's try out. Yeah, the sum of 1 to 100 is 50-50. After learn how to implement entry control loop, now we will continue with exit control loop. Do while loop will execute the block at least one times before checking the condition. We will use do while loop to implement a program to calculate average of some numbers. The program will loop until user don't want to continue and show the average of the numbers after exit the loop. Yeah, we have learned how to implement three types of loop, and last we are learned to implement a nested loop. Nested loop is loops inside a loop. We will draw a right triangle with nested loop. Inner loop will use to print asterisk symbol, and outer loop will be used to change line. Yeah, we drawn a asterisk right triangle with nested loop. Today, we have learned to implement repetitive flow or loops in C#. Thank you for watching. See you.